One of the major challenges that some faceless content creators are facing is access to free AI tools that will enable them create faceless contents just like this one. In this video, Coach Mimi will show you how to go about it from start to finish. All you have to do is to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. Without wasting any time, let's go chew it.
First thing I will do at this point is for me to come over to my Google. So here on Google, I will type ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT. I have clicked on it and it will take me to another interface. So this is the interface it has brought out for me. I have signed up with ChatGPT, so there is no point signing up. If you've not done that, please kindly do that with your Google account. So I have my idea already, because one thing about ChatGPT is this: you just have to have your own idea, irrespective of how it is, even if it is not coordinated and all of that. Just have an idea. You understand? So this is my video idea. I want ChatGPT to write it for me in a short format. Now there is something I want to tell you which is important. You should always include it in all your scripts. Always tell ChatGPT to make your story, every word in your story, to be in line with YouTube's community guidelines. So here I'm going to include it. Please make every word in this story in line with YouTube's community guidelines. This is very, very important. So this is my idea. You can pause the video and go through it if you want to. This is applicable to all niches. So even if it is a motivational niche, health niche, anything at all, just give ChatGPT your idea. So I've gone ahead to click on it, telling it to generate this story for me. So I actually told ChatGPT to make it very short. I don't want it long because this is a practical video. So this is it. ChatGPT is generating for me. Now it is done. I told you that I don't want a long story. So what I'll do at this point is for me to select all and then come over to my Google Docs. So here is my Google Docs. I'll go ahead and paste it. Now I have pasted it. I'll remove this side. I'll remove this side. I'll go ahead and remove this one. So ChatGPT has given this story a name already: Little Ada and the Rain. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT that ChatGPT should help me with image prompt, because from this particular script here, I'll go ahead to generate images. You understand? So I'll tell ChatGPT to help me with image prompts. Let me just write everything, then I'll read it out for you. This is what I added, and you may want to add it to your own script. So here I said, please kindly use this script to write image prompts for me. Include special features like color of dress, hairstyle, skin tone, barefoot, color of eye, age, etc. to maintain consistent character. Now, why it is important you maintain consistent character is because in some of your images, we are going to animate these images. A particular character may be fair in complexion. In another scene, that same character is now dark in complexion. So it might not really make people watching your story, people watching your movie, watching whatever thing you're doing, to understand what you mean. You understand? So with this hairstyle, with the color of dress, with the age range, like it will make someone to know that, okay, this is Ada in this particular scene. In another scene, the person will still know that this is Ada. One thing you need to know about AI is this: it might not be able to give you one face from start to finish. But with this consistent color of the cloth, consistent hairstyle, consistent eye color, and all of that, it will look consistent. You understand? Everything will just look consistent. So what I'll do at this point, I also added that you shouldn't forget to make every word in line with YouTube's community guidelines, as well as I told it that because my story is going to be short, my image prompt shouldn't be more than 7. So at this point, I'll copy it again. I'm selecting everything and I'm going back to ChatGPT. So here I'll open a new chat, then I'll go ahead and paste this. So now that I've pasted it, it will generate for me. It will begin to generate for me. So at this point, you can see it's already telling my main character, the stepmother, the kind woman, and all of that. So it's already generating all of this for me. So I'll pause the video. Once it is done generating, I will take it over to my Google Docs. So let me pause the video now. So at this point, I copied the prompt that was generated for me by ChatGPT. So I will use each of these prompts to get my images. So at this point, if you look at it, it has described everything that Ada is putting on, everything. So what I'll do is for me to go ahead and copy it. I'll just go ahead and copy it. I have copied it now. What I'll do next is for me to minimize. As I'm minimizing, I'm going to Google. I am going to my Google at this point. So here on Google, I'll close this one. I'll close this ChatGPT. I am going to Google AI Studio. So this is it. I'll go ahead and open it. So now that I have clicked on it to open, what I'll do next is this. I'll wait for it to get done opening. So at this point, it has opened. I'll go ahead and click on Get Started. So at this point, I have clicked on Get Started. Now what I will do next is for me to go ahead and click on this 3 dot at the top right hand side. So I've clicked on the 3 dot. I have to put my phone in desktop side. So if you're using your phone for all this content creation, you need to put your phone in desktop side to achieve what you want. Now this is the interface it has given me. What I'll do at this point is this. I'm going to switch my email because I have access to Google AI Pro. So I'll switch my email. At this point, I've clicked on it. I'm going to switch. Once I switch it, the color of my this thing will change. So I can have access to unlimited numbers of images. So it is switching at this point. Yeah, I think it is done switching. Yeah, it is done switching. So let's move over. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on chat. At this point. I've gone ahead to click on chat. I've clicked on chat, and this is the interface it has brought me to. So at this point, I'll go ahead and choose images. I've gone ahead to choose images. So after choosing images, this is the one I'll be choosing. This one in the middle. This one in the middle is what I'll be choosing. I've gone ahead to choose it. And this is the interface it has brought for me. Now checking below, it says describe your image. So here I'll go ahead and put that video prompt. I'll go ahead and paste that video prompt, then I'll minimize. Now checking at the right hand side here, these are aspect ratio. So because this video is for YouTube, this image is for YouTube, I will choose 16:9. 16:9 is for YouTube, 9:16 is for TikTok and YouTube Short. So I'm choosing 16:9. So after choosing 16:9, looking below here, I can see run. I'll go ahead and click on run. So I have clicked on run. It is currently running, meaning that it is generating my images for me. So at this point, looking at it like right now, this image is done generating. I will just click on it, then click on the download icon there. it is done generating. So all I will do next is for me to minimize, come over here, then copy the next prompt. I'll come here, I'll copy this one, I'll copy it, I'll come here, come back here to Google Studio, I'll click on the previous prompt, click on it, select all, then replace it. Then I'll go ahead and click on run. I'll go ahead and click on run. So at this moment it is running, meaning that it is generating for me. Please, if it should generate images for you and those images or that image is not in this size, just know that you did not choose the right size. So at this point I'll go ahead. Yeah, it is done. So at this moment I will pause this video, then generate other prompt. Once I'm done, I'll come back to you. At this point I am done generating all my images. So before we proceed to the next step, there is something very important I want to show you. So let me head over to the prompt. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT generated for me, and this is one thing I want you to know. Now, looking at this prompt, you'll notice that Ada is the main character as far as this story is concerned. So because Ada is the main character, it means that in almost all the scenes, Ada will always be there. So what is that one thing that will make Ada to look the same in almost all the scenes? That one thing is what you do at this point. You need to read through this image prompts for Ada. You understand? So you read through it, you look for specific things that makes Ada stand out. Now for this particular story, I read through it and this was a specific thing that I was able to figure out. Ada is 8 years with dark brown skin and short natural afro hair. She is barefoot and wears a faded yellow dress. You understand? So it means that anytime you're generating an image for Ada, this particular sentence must always be there, because this is what will give you consistent character. This applies to all niches. It applies to everything you're doing. You understand? Then another thing I like adding, aside from every other thing, is this. I like telling this AI that it should make the images realistic and very professional. If not, it might give you something that looks like chicken. Do you understand? So what I will do next is this. I'll move over to the script. This is the main script. This is the main script. So what I'll do now is for me to copy my script. You may want to remove all these scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Personally, I'm not going to remove it. I have my reasons, because when editing it, I think I will need it. So I will copy everything. I'll press long, select all, then copy it. So now that I've copied it, I am coming again to this Google AI Studio. What I'm going to do next is for me to get my audio ready. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on new chat. So I have clicked on new chat, and this is the interface it has brought me. So remember that first time we clicked on images. So this time around, I won't click on images. All I will do is for me to scroll through this. So I will scroll like this. I can see audio. So I'll go ahead and click on audio. I've gone ahead to click on audio, and at this point I'll just go ahead and click on this first one here. So I've gone ahead to click on the first one. Now the thing is this, if you need multi speaker, we have it here. If you need single speaker, we also have it here. For the purpose of this story, I'll be using single speaker. So I'll go ahead and click on single speaker audio. So I've gone ahead to click on that. Remember, I copied my script already. I'll go ahead and paste my script here. This is my script. I've gone ahead to paste my script. So here I'll go ahead to choose the voice I want. I've clicked on it. I'll go ahead and choose this particular one. This is the one I'll be using. So if you're counting it from below, it is 1, 2, 3. So I'm using the third one. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and click on run. Run is below here. So because I've clicked on run, it is telling me cancel generation. I don't want to cancel it. I want it to generate for me. So at this point, it is generating. Let's just wait for it to get done generating. Once it is done, we proceed. So at this point, our audio is ready. This is it here. This is it. I'll go ahead and click on these 3 dots. I'll go ahead and click on the 3 dots to save it. So at this point, I have downloaded it. It is asking me if I want to download again. And our audio is ready. This is it, guys. At this point, what I will do next is for me to animate my images. So here I'll move over to Grok AI. So this is my Grok AI. I'll go ahead to click on generate videos. I'll go ahead to click on generate videos. So now that I've clicked on generate videos, it has brought me to this interface. I will start with the first one. I want to start with the first one so I don't get confused. So this is the first image. I'll go ahead and click on it. Now, one thing about Grok AI you need to know is this. Once you bring in a picture, telling it to turn it to a video for you, automatically it will start animating. So what we will do is this. We will allow it to animate, to generate this video for us. Once it is done, we are going to custom animate it ourselves. So at this point, it is done. It is done animating. So all I will do is for me to click on this arrow here. I have clicked on the small arrow, and here it is telling me custom. So I have gone ahead to click on custom. So now that I have clicked on custom, I can now input whatever thing I want this girl to be saying. So here I can say, I can tell her to say, please come and buy my orange. Come and buy my orange. Sweet oranges. It is good for the health. It is good for the health. Please come and buy my orange. Sweet orange. It is good for the health. So at this point, I'll put this one in a comma. Let her be seen urging people. Let her be seen urging people to buy from her. So I am done. This is what I want her to say, and this is what I want the image to be doing. So I'll go ahead and click on this particular icon here so that my image, my video I mean to say, can generate. So here it is telling me that it is generating. One thing you need to know about Grok AI is this, in case I've not mentioned it, it is not unlimited. When compared to Google AI Studio, it is not unlimited. So you can always switch your email account. You understand? So if you have up to 3-4 email accounts, I think you have an added advantage. You understand? So it is done generating at this point. Let's listen to what it is saying. Okay, in case it happens like this, because I don't understand what she's saying, I don't think she's using English, so we are going to prompt it again. Because what she's saying here, I don't understand. I don't know which language is that. So I will include let her speak English language. Let her speak English language. So I'll reprompt it. It is generating again. So in case it happens like this, you try animating your images and it is using another language, a language you do not understand, please do well to include it in the scripts, in the prompts, that it should speak English. You understand? So because what's the essence of it even talking when it is not talking English? I don't know if you get my point. So you can always reprompt it. The good thing is that Grok AI has updated its platform and we can now achieve 16:9 images. So let's listen to what she has to say now.
For the health, please come and buy my orange, sweet oranges. It is good for the health.
Perfect. Did you hear that? She said, please come and buy my oranges, sweet oranges. It is good for the health. That's what she said. So at this point, we are done. So all I will do is for me to click on this arrow facing down. I'll click on it to save it. Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you something that is also very, very important. If you're into all these motivational kind of videos, you're motivating people, prayers and all of that, let me tell you something. Do you know that you can use this Grok AI to achieve those kind of images, those kind of videos? I mean to say, you can use Grok AI to achieve those videos. This is because motivational videos are not supposed to be very long, most especially as a newbie, because if you're just starting, people do not really know you. You understand? People do not really know you. So because it is not supposed to be long, it should be between let's say 2 minutes, 3 minutes maximum, or 4 minutes. So you can animate your images, tell your images what it should say using your scripts. I don't know if you're getting my point. You can use Grok AI, then you use your script, put your script here, put your images, and tell the image what to say. And that's just it. Once you're done, you put it in CapCut, do a little editing, and you're good. So at this point, let's animate one more before we proceed. So I will go ahead. I'll go ahead and animate another one. So I'll go ahead and click on, did I save it? Okay, let me click on it to save, like right now. So I'll go ahead and add another image. So I'll click on all. I'll click on this particular one. I have clicked on it, it will animate automatically. So I'll wait until it is done animating before I will now prompt. So while waiting for it to animate, let me just go ahead and write my prompt. Here I can say, let the old woman be seen pushing the little girl out. Let her be heard saying. So I'll put this one. What I want her to say is what I'll put in quotation sign. So I will say, don't come back to this house. Don't come back to this house except you are done selling all my oranges, Let the old woman be seen pushing the little girl out of the house. Let her be heard saying, don't come back to this house except you're done selling all my oranges. So I'll go ahead and copy my prompt. I'll click on this arrow again. I'll click on custom, then I'll send it. You understand? So at this point it is animating. You understand? It is animating. Let's wait for it to get done animating. This is it. It is showing us in percentage. So let's wait for it to get done animating. We are almost there. So like I rightly stated, if your videos are short, I am saying this mostly for those persons looking forward to having an AI tool that is free that they can use to create their videos at once instead of using animated videos. You understand? Instead of using animated images. So you can use this method, use your script, copy the prompt, animate it, give the image what to say, and of course it will say it. You understand?
Don't come back to this house except you're done selling all my oranges.
Did you see that?
Don't come back to this house except you're done selling all my oranges.
So that is it. So at this point I'll pause this video. I'll go ahead and animate other images. Do you understand? So once I'm done animating other images, we will proceed to the next step. In a situation where your script is long, you can sit and do it one after the other using Grok AI. So this is what we are going to do. That voice that Google AI Studio generated for us is what we are going to use at this point. So all I will do is for me to click on audio. Audio is below here. I'll click on audio. So now that I've clicked on audio, I'll go ahead and click on sounds. Now that I have clicked on sounds, it has brought me to this interface. Please be very, very careful with these sounds here. Some sounds may be free on CapCut, but they are not free on YouTube. So if you use them, you might have copyright issues. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this one. So now that I have clicked on it, it is giving me two options. It is telling me to either extract my sound from a video, or I should go ahead and pick it up from my device. Now, if you're using the free version of CapCut, please avoid this extracted. So at this point, I'll click on device. I have clicked on device, so I have to search for that audio. So I can recall I saved it yesterday with today. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on the plus sign here next to the audio so I can import it. So this is the audio here. This is our audio. This is it here. So what I will do next is for me to bring in images, those animated images. You understand? Now let me make you to understand something. This video is in two parts. I want you to get something. Now the first part is you using Grok AI to do the animation. You understand? Telling Grok AI what your image should say per time. That will take a longer period of time because you have to do it bit by bit. You understand? Now the second method is what I'll be showing you here. You understand? So in this second method, we are going to use the animated images plus this audio. You understand? I don't know if you get my point. So the difference is this. The other one, you won't need this audio because Grok AI will make your images to say what you want them to say. So once you're done with that, you will just bring them on CapCut, arrange them, do a little editing, and you are good. So this second option is what I'll be showing you like right now. We have to import our images. So these are our images like right now. These are our images. Now let me show you something. I brought in these videos. Let me first of all play the video and show you what it will look like. So let me remove this audio first. Let me go ahead and delete the audio. Now let me play this video and show you how it will be. So in case you want to compile everything with Grok AI, this is what your video will look like. So this is it. Let me play it.
Buy sweet oranges, very sweet oranges.
Don't come back to this house except you're done selling all my oranges.
It's raining heavily and I am not done selling for today. I can't go home now. If I do, my stepmom will beat me.
Little girl, why are you selling in the rain? I will buy all your oranges.
My stepmother told me not to come back home until I'm done selling all the oranges.
Do you like the food?
Yes, Ma, I do. Thank you so much.
Now this is it. You understand? So if you're using Grok AI to compile these things, this is what it will look like. You understand? So at this point, this is method 1. Method 2 is you using the voiceover that Google AI Studio will generate for you. So here I'll bring in my audio again. What am I going to do at this point? These animated videos, these animated images, I mean to say, they have sound already. So because I have sound here already, like the recorded audio that Google AI gave to us, so all I will do is for me to go ahead and mute the sound that comes with the image. Title. You understand? So that we can use this other audio. I don't know if you get my point. Please, if you don't get my point, do well to ask questions in the comments. If you're in my community, ask questions in the community, please. So I will go ahead and mute this audio. Do you know why I'm muting the audio? If I don't mute this audio, the imported audio from Google AI Studio will be on, while the one coming with the one that comes with this image will also be on, so it won't sound nice. You understand? So in this video, I am teaching you two things in one video. So I think this particular method, the method of doing everything with Grok AI, will favor those persons. It will favor those people that have short stories better. It will favor them the more because they can just do everything with Grok AI and off they go. So if you're into African folktale, the best thing for you to do is for you to animate your images and then get your audio from Google AI Studio. You understand? So at this point, I am done. Now this is what we are going to do now. We have to synchronize our video and the audio. So how are we going to do this? You allow the audio to play. Whatsoever the audio is saying should be what is displaying on the screen. I don't know if you get my point. Like if the audio is talking about this girl shouting, "Buy sweet oranges, buy sweet oranges," the image should show the lady shouting, "Buy sweet oranges." I don't know if you get my point. Like, you understand now? Now that is what we are going to do now. So it shouldn't be that the audio is talking about the lady in the market while the visual, the picture, the video is showing the lady lying down at home. I don't know if you get my point. So you have to make the audio and the video to synchronize. You understand? So that is what I'm going to do at this point. I will go ahead and pause this video. So once I'm done arranging, I will show you everything. Now for you to add live to your video, for you to add live to whatever you're going to do, as this audio is narrating, you can always make this video, the animated video, because you've already told Grok AI what your animated picture should say. You can always give it chance for it to talk. You understand? So the audio will just be like a kind of a narration while the picture itself will be talking. So let me pause the video. Let me pause it like right now. Arrange it. Once I'm done arranging, we come back and continue. I am done with the arrangement, so I'll play it for us to watch together.
Buy sweet oranges, very sweet oranges.
Ada was a quiet young girl who lived with her stepmother after her own mother passed away. While her father worked far from home, her stepmother often sent her on difficult errands. Most days, Ada sold oranges on the roadside instead of resting or playing like other children.
Don't come back to this house except you're done selling all my oranges.
Kept calling, "Buy your sweet oranges, please."
Very sweet oranges. It's raining heavily and I am not done selling for today. I can't go home now. If I do, my stepmom will beat me.
She was scared to go home. As she crossed the roadside, a car approached quickly. The driver stopped just in time. She helped her up and asked what happened.
Little girl, why are you selling in the rain? I will buy all your oranges.
My stepmother told me not to come back home until I'm done selling all the oranges.
He explained her situation. The woman's heart was moved. told her she would be safe now.
Let me pause it at this point because I do not want this video to be very long. I think in this video I've ended up showing you 3 things. First is you using just Grok AI, animate everything, then merge it on CapCut. Second is you using just the voice gotten from Google AI Studio with the animated images, while the third one is you using both the animated images plus the Google AI voice, the voice you got from Google AI, just like what I did here. Trust me, everything boils down to your editing. If you're very good with mixing these things, it will come out perfectly fine. I strongly believe you can manage this for now until your channel is monetized, you understand? So you can just play around with these things I've just shown you. Do not be like me. Please take out time to do yours, because personally I am trying to meet deadline. I had already promised some persons that this video will be up yesterday, and today is Thursday. The video is not up yet, so that's why I'm just rushing around. So please ensure that you create good images, ensure that your editing is perfect. Please feel free to ask your questions. If you're in the community, ask your questions in the community. You can also ask here in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.